Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to discuss few numericals based on the transfer function and how to find the poles and zeros and how to plot the poles and zeros. So this is part 2 I am developing. Part 1 I have developed in lecture number 3. So this is the first problem. Find the transfer function of the circuit given in figure and comment on order and type of the system. So let us say I am going to discuss this numerical. Let us say this problem I have given. This is a C. This is R1. R1. This is R2. This is V1, that is V in, and this is V out. So I have given find the transfer function, right? Now if you are going to find the transfer function, so first of all we will transform this diagram. Okay, that is a transform diagram I will draw the transform diagram. Okay, just wait. Draw the transform diagram. What is the transform diagram? Say here if you are going to find the transfer function, what is the transfer function? V out in S domain upon V in S domain. That is the gain of the system in S domain when all initial conditions are neglected. If you are going to neglect the initial condition, so you can draw the transform diagram. C will be converted into 1 upon Cs. R will be R. Resistance will be resistance, say R1. Okay, this is R2. This is V out of S, V in of S, V. Okay, and only we have one loop. So this is the current, say I of S. This is an S domain. Now you can see here these two components you can say in parallel. It is in parallel. So you can say Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2, you can make it 1. So 1 by C into S into R1, Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2. Okay, so इसको एक कर लो, so you will get, okay, sorry, not Z1 plus Z2, it is Z1 is what? Sorry, it is 1 upon C into S plus R1. Okay, so after taking LCM, this 1 by CS and this CS will be cancelled, so you will get, if you solve it, you will get R1 upon R1 CS plus 1, you will get R1 into CS plus 1 or upon CS, in this CS will be cancelled. So this is the, now you can modify this diagram like this. This is value R1 upon R1 CS plus 1. This is R2. This is R2. This is V out of S. This is V in of S. And this is one loop I of S. So from here, if you solve it, what is the value of V out of S? Equal to the voltage across here. कितना है? I of S into R2. So R2 into I of S. Similarly, if you write the KVL in this loop, So V in of S equal to what? Same current is flowing here and here. So R1 upon R1 CS plus 1 plus R2 into I of S. Okay, so if you simplify this, you will get R1 plus यहाँ LCM लेने के बाद क्या आएगा? R1 plus R1 R2 CS R1 plus R1 R2 CS plus R2 upon this R1 CS plus 1. Okay, into I of S. Okay, so we got in V out question number 1, we got V out question number 2. So this upon this V out upon V in IS will be cancelled. So transfer function equal to what? Transfer function equal to what? This upon this 1 upon 2. So R2 I of S will be cancelled upon this. Upon this so क्या होगा? Upon R1 R2 CS plus R1 plus R2 upon this. So ये obviously ऊपर आ जाएगा numerator में. So you will get R1 CS plus 1. Okay. So if you solve it, you will get R1 R2 CS. Yeah, you can say R1C common ले लें तो क्या आएगा? R2 into R1 into C. और यहाँ you will get S plus 1 upon R1C. ओके, और यहाँ हम ले लेते हैं R1 R2 कॉमन, R1 R2 कॉमन. So you R1 R2 and I am taking C common, R1 R2 and C common. So you will get S plus R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 C. Okay, so this R1 R2 will be cancelled, C will be cancelled. Okay, so this is the transfer function. You have one pole. What is the value of pole? This S equal to this. कितना है value of pole की? Minus R1 plus R2 upon R1 R2 C. This is the pole 1 0 1 0. Okay, what is the value of 0? S equal to minus 1 by R1 C. Order क्या है? Order is only one pole at origin, so one pole is there, so order 1, first order. Okay, type order 1, type 0, no pole at origin. Okay, so this is the comment on this numerical. So in this way you can find the transfer function, you can find the pole and 0 like that. Okay, if you know the value of R1 R2 and C, you can draw the poles and zeros also. Okay, next problem I am going to solve. Okay, next problem. Okay, slightly difficult problem. This is the R1. Okay, here R1 R2 C1 C2, we have two loops, so you can take loop 1, you can loop 1 I1, loop 2 I2. Okay, so transform diagram. Okay, तो पहला स्टेप क्या? We will draw the transform diagram. R will be R, R1 will be R1, R2 will be R2, C will be what? 1 upon C. So यही मैं I'm going to draw the this is the I'm going to convert into the transform diagram, right? So this is what 1 upon C1s, this is 1 upon C2s, R will be R, C will be 1 upon CS, and अगर L होता है इंडक्टर so L will be L into S. This is I1 of S, this is I2 of S. Clear? This is E1 of S, this is E2 of S. So this is the transform diagram. Now first, what is the E out? E out of S directly from here, this voltage across here equal to what? 1 upon C2 into S into I2 of S. Question number 1. I got E out in terms of I2. Okay. Next, I want to write loop 1. We have two loops. Loop 1. What is the loop 1? E1 of S equal to what? Current I1 is flowing in this loop, so it is what? Equal to R1 plus 1 upon C1S into I1 of S here minus 1 upon C1 into S this into I2 of S. This is I2. Okay. Now please here, so E out upon E1 you can say, but I2 will be cancelled. Here I1 term is also there, so I don't want this. Agar E I2, so this will also be I2. If you take I2 common, it will be cancelled. You can get transfer function. So this is equation number, right? Loop 1. Loop 2. Loop 2 is what? Loop 2 is I2 is flowing here. What is the I2 is flowing? I2 is flowing in R2 1 upon C1S plus 1 upon C2S. Here in these three components I2 is flowing. At the same time, in this, when you are talking this loop, in this branch I1 is also flowing but opposite. This is going upward, this is going downward, so minus I2 or I1 in this component opposite direction. It is going upward, this is going downward, so it is opposite, so minus 1 upon C1S into I1 of S. Okay, so equal to what? No source equal to 0. Now what we will do? We will find the value of I1 from this equation, and this value we will put in equation number 2. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 3. So from 3, what we will do? From 3 I will find the I1 of S. So ये find करना है, so this equal to this. Okay, so I1 of S equal to क्या आएगा? This. ये LCM कितना आएगा इसका? 1 upon C1S into I1S from this 3. Okay, this equal to, ये इधर आ जाएगा. This equal to this equal to what? This. I am taking LCM C1 C2S. If you take LCM, okay, into I2 of S. If you solve the 3, so C1 into C2 into S is common, so यहाँ आएगा. What is the value here? R2 C1 C2S. This is R2 into C1 C2S plus यहाँ आएगा C2 only plus यहाँ आएगा C1. Okay, so this is the value of I1. I am putting this value of 4 in put 4 in equation number I think 2. this value of I1 we are putting here into. Why? Because I want two equations, equation number say 1 and 5, you will get 5 in terms of only I2. I don't want I1. So when you put here, so E1S, that is the input voltage in S domain, equal to what? R1 C1S, R1 C1S plus 1 upon this C1S. This R1 C1S upon plus 1 upon C1S into I1. I1 की वैल्यू क्या है? ये I1 की वैल्यू क्या है? This is I1 value, this C1 and this C1 will be cancelled, this S and this S will be cancelled, so only this value. Okay, so what is the value of I1? This R2 C1 C2S plus C1 plus C2 upon what? C2 I got. This is the value of I1 equal to this R1 R2 C1 C2 S plus C2 C1 plus C2 upon C2 into I2 of S, into I2 of S here आ गया, right? Minus this, so minus मैं कॉमन ले लेता, minus 1 upon C1 into S, or I am taking I2 common. Okay. Now we will simplify, then we will take this upon this, I2 will be cancelled, you will get it. So anyway, I am going to simplify it. So क्या आएगा? If you simplify it, you will get this multiplies. Okay, then this minus. Okay. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to simplify R1's. I'm not going. I'm taking LCM directly. I'm taking LCM directly. So if you take LCM, क्या आएगा? C1S, C1S, C1S. Okay, or C2, C1 C2S. I'm taking LCM. तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? LCM लेने के बाद this will be, it is C1 C2, तो ये यही आएगा. It is there. Okay, C1 C2 S, तो यहाँ आएगा R1 C1S plus 1 into R2 C1 C2S plus C1 plus C2. You will get like this. Okay, और यहाँ आएगा minus C1S is there but C2 is not there, तो minus C2 into I2 of S. So I got this. Okay, now transfer function is what? Transfer function is V out. This is E out, E in of S. E out means this upon this, so I2 will be cancelled. Equation number say 5. So 1 upon 5, 1 upon, that is E out upon E1. I2 in from 1 and 2, I2 will be cancelled, so you will get 1 upon this, so you will get 1 upon C2S upon this, क्या है? R1 C1S plus 1 R2 C1 C2S plus C1 plus C2. Okay, minus C2 upon what? C1S into C2. So you can say C2 will be cancelled, S will be cancelled. So you will get, that is the answer you will get. I'm just using another pen. That is the answer I am getting. This C1 will come in numerator, so C1 upon C1 ऊपर आ जाएगा upon what, this multiply होने के बाद क्या आएगा, if you want you can multiply, so R1 C1S R1 C1S R1 C1S plus 1 into this R2 C1 C2S R2 C1 C2S plus C1 plus C2, this minus C2. This is the answer I am getting. And if we simplify, you will get second order system, that is यहाँ multiply होने के बाद ये s square term आ जाएगी, so you will get the second order equation and type 0 because यहाँ एक constant आने वाला है, lowest order will be 0, so it is the second order type 0 system you will get. If we want you can simplify it also, but I am going to check the answer. I have solved it. Okay, so in this way we will solve. Agar if you want you can simplify it, you will get s square term. Okay, so that will be the answer you can get. This is in denominator. Sorry. Okay, this is the denominator, this term. Okay, you will get type 0 second order transfer function you will get from here. Okay, if you want you can simplify it also. I am rubbing it. And the last problem I am solving, this is the last problem I am solving. Say this is the find the transfer function. For example, this is the problem I have given, R C, okay, and this is R and this is C. This is a problem V out V in is given. Find the transfer function. So what is the first step? We will draw the transformed diagram. I'm going to draw the transform diagram. What is the transform diagram? R will be R, C will be 1 upon C, S, R, 1 upon CS. This is R, this is all R, and this C. It is given, suppose. So R will be R. This will become 1 upon CS, and this is V out of S. This is V in of S. Now you can say, if you want to find the transfer function, you can say these two are in parallel. You can make it 1. Similarly, these two are in series. You can make it 1. Okay, so क्या आएगा इन दोनों का पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, R into 1 upon CS upon R plus 1 upon CS, right ना, Z1 into Z2 upon Z1 plus Z2. So you will get, यहाँ आएगा RCS, this will be cancelled after taking, यहाँ LCM लेंगे, so you will get R upon CS upon LCM लेने के बाद RCS plus 1 upon CS will be cancelled. Okay, so you will get the answer, क्या आएगा, R upon RCS plus 1 if you do it, and this is the series, so you can modify it. If you want to modify, you will get R plus 1 upon CS, so RCS plus 1 upon CS, and this is the another block you will get, क्या आएगा, this is the answer. What is the answer? R upon RCS plus 1. Okay, now this is V out of S, this is V in of S, and I have only one loop, I of S. Now we can simplify. What is the V out of S? Output is what? Voltage across here क्या है? R upon RCS plus 1, R upon RCS plus 1 into I of S. That is equation number 1. If you write the KVL here, so क्या आएगा? ये RCS plus 1 upon CS. क्लियर ना? ये क्या आएगा? इसका simplification after LCM, R into CS plus 1 upon CS. So R into CS plus 1 upon CS, ये, और इसमें भी फ्लो हो रहा है. ओके, तो यहाँ क्या आएगा? प्लस R अपॉन RCS plus 1, R upon RCS plus 1 into I of S. So I am taking I of S common. That is what? V in of S. That is a KVL. This इसमें current flow रहा है. These two are in series. So this plus this into I of S equal to V1 of S. Right? Now this is equation number 2. Now V out upon V in, I of S will be cancelled. इसको simplify कर लेते हैं. If you simplify this, what? RCS plus 1 square plus RCS upon ये RCS plus 1 into CS. That is V in of S into I of S. This is equation number 2. I'm modifying it. Okay, let us say this is 2. Now from here we know V out of S, equation number 1. We know V in of S, equation number 2. If you take this upon this, I of S will be cancelled. I of S will be cancelled. Okay, so if you simplify, you will get, so I am rubbing it, this okay, so 1 upon 2 क्या आएगा? Transfer function equal to this V out upon V in, I of S will be cancelled. So this is what? R upon RCS plus 1, R upon RCS plus 1 upon this. What is this? This RCS plus 1 square of that plus RCS upon this CS into RCS plus 1, right? This is the, or IS will be cancelled. So this R upon RCS plus 1 upon this term. Okay, so what will happen? This term RCS plus 1 and this RCS plus 1 will be cancelled and this will go up. So transfer function equal to what? RCS upon this क्या हो जाएगा? R square C square S square plus 1 plus 2 RCS plus this RCS plus RCS. So you will get transfer function RCS upon R square और C square अगर हम कॉमन ले लें, so you will get S square, only S square, plus यहाँ आएगा 3 3 और R और C कैंसिल होके मिल जाएगा अपॉन R C into S because I'm taking R square C square common. So 3 2 RCS plus RCS 3 RCS and I'm taking R square C square, so यहाँ आएगा डिनोमिनेटर में into S plus 1 upon R square C square. So this R and this R will be cancelled, this C and this will be cancelled, so you will get transfer function S upon R into C in bracket S square plus 3 by RC S plus 1 by R square C square, right? So this is 1 upon RC is a constant, say K. We have 1 0 at origin because यहाँ plus minus नहीं, so you will get 1 0 at origin. It is a second order equation, second order, right? Okay, and type 0 system because यहाँ s raised to 0 है, so type 0 second order, 2 pole we have and 1 0 we have, so that is the answer we have. Okay, and if we solve, just I'm going to check the answer. I have solved this problem, so I'm not simplify actually it here, but in this way we can get it. Okay, so I'm rubbing it. So it is very simple to find the transfer function of any given system. Okay, I'm stopping here only. In the next lecture, I will discuss about the feedback control system, closed loop control system, how to find the transfer function. Then I will discuss the block diagram reduction technique, and in the next lecture, I will solve the problem how to find the transfer function by using block diagram reduction technique. Thank you very much for see in this YouTube lectures. Thank you.